Philippine Biodome. Look what's here. You see. Butterfly, whitefish. The sound of a bird. Hi, ate. What are you doing? Let's look for the koi fish. Butterfly koi fish. It's over there. Where's the dome? Hi, ate. What are you doing? Punta tayo doon sa loob ng dome. Let's see what's inside. Kasama namin si Mama, si Dada, si Mami, si Stutz, si Kilin, si TMJ, at si Baby Jane. So, let's go in. Let's see what's inside. Crocodile. Where's the crocodile? Oh, there's a crocodile there. Look. Oh. Crocodile. That's the crocodile. Now we will be entering the Philippine Biodome. Join me. Let's go. Enter. Whoa. Let's see what's inside. Oh. So yan, pagpasok mo, nakikita mo kung Mama, say hi. Hi. We're beside the falls. Behind the green wall. Green walls are vertical structures that incorporate various plants of greenery. Okay, let's go inside. Behind the green walls. This is the green wall. Let's go. So this is the look. This is the look. So there's parrots everywhere. There's parrots everywhere. Wow, fashion. So now we're gonna be entering this Budge River. Budge River, I believe. Budge River. Rigar? Ewan. Let's enter the Budge River. Andun na sila. So we can see the birds. Oh, okay. There's birds everywhere. Hi, Kilin. So many birds, right? How many birds are there?
Also in the left. Not in the right.
Look. Oh, there's birds. Right there.
Like dog.
Entering this something. Ma. Hi.
May zipline din ako.
Zipline adventure.
Ay, wala pa sarado ko din.
Dine-develop pa daw yung zipline. Meron ditong sound ng birds. And it's, for me, it's medyo nakaka-rin, diba? Kilin! Hi, Kilin! Oh! Hindi magpapatak yan. Let's go down. featuring the Rufus Hornbill. This is the look. Oh wow! Here it is. Let's go. Let's get near. Wait. Wow, ang cute naman ng bird. Hi. Ang cute ng bird. Look, it's a bird. Wait. Look at Dylan. There's Dylan. Come here, jump. Come here. Makatukain ako. Picture. Nala. You're gonna kiss me? What are you doing there? Kwak, 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 kwak. Baka meron din. Oh, yeah. Smiley! Kiling! Ang sabi ng duck? What does the duck say? Kwak, kwak, kwak. Madi, wala kang kasama dyan. Kiling, kwak, kwak, kwak.
Oo, lumilipad mo kung patabain. Regala tayong dalawa.
Sige po sir, tayo ka sa gilid ko. Sige pa, puro sa t-shirt. Wow, dedication. Okay, alright. Thank you so much.
Tumatawa yung guest.
Meron tayong show po, ma'am sir ha. Pwede niyo pong tingnan. Mag-start na po tayo. Dito po, dito po. Ano tawag po dito, Ate? Philippine Eagle Owl. Ah, Philippine Eagle Owl. Ito yung nandito sa 1,000. Charot, parang ganon. Parang ganon, kamukha lang, kamag-anak. Ayun na yun. Wow. Sa 1,000. Sa 1,000. Highest. Hi. Ay, okay. Tumingin sa'yo. Smile. Ito ka, ito ka. Can you touch the feather? Oh, wow. You're so untiring. Ayot lang. Sige ako, ma'am. Buwan ako ito. Para hindi kayo mahirapan. Parang hirap na hirap. Ano, nag-turn siya sa kabila. But I can touch it. Sige po, ma'am. Ako mag-ano. Tayo ka sa gilid, ma'am. Sige po. Nakang pala yata. Oh. Wow, wow, wow. Nakatali. Oh, dire. I'm looking at Kilin. Hey, hi, bird. Edit. They're fine. Gagatang kayo. Wow, naglalaro sila. Hindi sila nauubusan ng energy. Kaya na pa sila naglalaro. So cute. Kabulan.
Magdadrive yan, magdadrive.
Tangin, nagpapatay na ata. Empo, bilis mo.
Sila, apat?
Ewan ko. Apat ba yan? Oh my gosh. May umipot sa akin. Here. Si ate. Nawala na. I need help. Oh my God. Naiputan ako ng mga birds na nalipad. Ba't nawala sila? Ano yun? Yun. Ate, ako ang maswerteng nabunot ng ibon na nag-ipot sa aking ulo. May bonus pang ipot. Ate, wipes! Ate, wipes. How can I... nakadikit. Ako yung ate ko to the rescue. Kasi naiputan ako. Kasi meron ba? Thank you.
Sa taas daw.
Fighting yan.
Hindi ka naman galit.
Tingnan natin yung bird. Tinitrain ni ate yung bird.
Saan? Anong meron dito?
Parang may mga show.
Ah, yung show pa. Mamaya. Okay.
Saan ka lagay basura mo?
Ano? Pinapabalik-balik niya yung
Ayan.
pipe.
Here, King Sand. King Sand with trampoline panda.
Hindi, bite ka na lang. Dirty fingers.
Ano? Meron dito first seal. Kaya lang, para sa matamlay. Here. He's sleeping. He's sleeping. Here it is. Here at the end. Thank you. And we have to see again. So